Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be taking a look at a mobile gaming controller from a company called EasySMX, and I've looked at a couple of their controllers before. So this is the EasySMX M15. It connects to your phone through USB Type-C and can be used on either an Android phone or an iPhone 15 or an iPhone 16 because obviously those iPhones have USB Type-C. I really like these kind of controllers that basically turn your phone into a little gaming handheld. I don't like using the touchscreen to play games. I love playing Fortnite, but refuse to play it using a touchscreen. So this has Hall effect sticks, and you can adjust the vibration levels, which is pretty cool. And it looks like it stretches pretty good, but don't think I'll be able to fit this on my Samsung tablet. So let's unbox this, check it out, and try to play some games with it. I'll be using a Galaxy S21 and an iPhone 16 Pro with it. So the only thing I think that actually comes in the box is the controller itself and the manual. I don't think this has any other type of accessories whatsoever. Definitely like the ergonomics on this. Much easier to hold than their previous model I checked out, the M5. And here's a look at their manual. Now, this manual comes in about 7 languages, I think. So no matter where you're from, you will be able to read this. Like I said, it feels really comfortable to hold this, but now I'm going to click all the buttons so you guys get a sense of how they feel. Now, I do want to show how the M15 compares in size to the M5. Obviously, the M15 is bigger, but I feel like it would be more comfortable to use, especially if you are playing for a long period of time. All right, now let's move this over, and I'm going to put this side by side with the gamesir G8 mobile controller. This was my favorite Bluetooth controller that I've recently took a look at not too long ago on the channel, and I really like the gamesir mobile controller. But as you can see, the EasySMX M15 and the gamesir looks really similar. I don't know if they manufacture these in the same factories, but they do look and feel similar mostly. Now, keep in mind with the gamesir G8 that only connects via Bluetooth. The EasySMX M15 connects via the USB Type-C port. Now, something else I do want to mention is, and I don't know if you will see this on camera, but it has a nice texture on the grip here. So very easy to hold on to. The controller definitely is going to slip out of your hands at all. Okay, now let's try to play some games with the EasySMX M15. So here's Fortnite. I'm using a Samsung Galaxy S21. It has a Snapdragon 888 chipset. It's an older phone at this point, but great to use as a gaming or emulation device in my opinion. Okay, now let's try some emulation. Here is Dolphin Blue using the Redream Emulator. I did want to try some cloud gaming. Here I'm using Xbox Game Pass Cloud Gaming. This is Forza Horizon 5. Now, the controller works well. I'm just getting a lot of lag at the moment, but that's because I'm playing via the cloud. Sometimes it's hit or miss with cloud gaming. I also do want to mention that all I did was just plug this in to the M15 to work. I just plugged in the phone and it just worked straight away. I did want to try the M15 on my iPhone 16 Pro as well, and since I had an offer for 3 months of Apple Arcade for free, I thought I'd give some games a try. I forgot the name of this game, but the M15 worked really well with it. The game was just okay. And here's another Apple Arcade game, Warped Kart Racers, it's called. I gotta say, the Apple Arcade games didn't really impress me. If you know of any games on Apple Arcade that are worth checking out, let me know in the comments below. But the Apple Arcade games that I did try with the EasySMX M15 did work really well. So the EasySMX M15 mobile controller is a great choice if you are in the market for a controller like this. Definitely worth checking out. I'll leave a link in the description below. But that's going to do it for this video. Please hit that like and subscribe button. I would appreciate it. Thanks for watching.